Hello friends, this is Pooja again from Sony Craft. Today is a very quick DIY project. As you can see that I have a MDF box, jewelry box with me. So we'll be working on this box and making this box in a beautiful gifting jewelry box. I have not primed this box because it's not necessary. I will be using a texture paste. I am using a homemade texture paste here where I just mix the plaster of Paris, Fevicol, acrylic paint and water and then made this texture paste. If you want to know the recipe in correct proportion, just comment it and I will share it in the next video. Or you can use any store bought texture paste for this. So what I am doing here is that I had placed my stencil as per the design which I want to make on this box. So I'm just carefully with the help of palette knife I am just placing the texture paste on the box over this stencil.
She's waiting for love to be realized.
So here you can see that how beautiful this design has come out on the box. Now I'll just quickly dry this texture paste with the help of my heat gun, and I'm just removing the extra texture paste which I got on my box with the help of rough cloth. So now I will be drying this texture paste with the help of my heat gun, and then we'll do the next process. Once the texture paste is completely dry, I'll just use a chalk paint. Here I'm using iCraft chalk paint in the shade of French grape, and it's a very dark wine shade. Okay, so I'm using this chalk paint and I will be covering the whole box from all the sides from this chalk paint now. like you can see that I am covering this whole box with the same color because I really want this project to be very quick and very simple, but again very good, beautiful looking, or the stunning looking box will be getting at the end. So I've just covered all the sides with the same color chalk paint of this box.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be real.
Now I've taken this stencils and I'll be using this stencils to cover all four sides of the box. I will be using the contrasting color of this is a Foxy Lady, or the cream pie color from iCraft chalk paint again, and I will be using a dry brush technique with this stencil to cover all four sides of the boxes. So in dry brush technique, we just need a little bit of paint in the stencil brush, and then we wipe all the excess paint on the tissue or on the rough cloth, and then with the minimal paste they will just do the stamping of that brush over the stencil to get the design on the box.
I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
again I have taken another gold metallic iCraft chalk paint, and I will be using a dry brush technique once again to highlight the texture paste design which we had created on the top of the box. So I'm just taking the minimal paint, wiping off the excess paint on the tissue or the rough cloth, and then I'll be just brushing it brushing it over the texture paint to highlight the design over the top of the box. And same dry brush technique I had used on the all four sides of the box also to give it a vintage look. I wanted to highlight the design more, and I wasn't able to achieve the same look which I wanted with the stencil brush. So what I did is that I used my finger. I simply take a little bit of paint on my index finger and rub it over the design, and this way I was able to highlight the areas of my design which I wanted to highlight. Then I just painted the back side of my box also with the same Scottsdale color, and then I decided to paint the inside of the box also with the same color, because this color is so nice and vibrant, and it was looking so beautiful on the box. I am telling you guys that this video or the images of this box are not doing any justice to the beauty of this box. This box is looking so amazing, beautiful and vintage.
Far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it
Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any comments, suggestions, I'm open for any comments and suggestions. Please feel free to write to me in case you find this useful, or you want me to make a video, another video on any other technique. I will be happy. Thank you so very much for the watching. Bye bye till next video.